So ayan na siya. This is our biggest order yet. Bali, ito yung logo ng business namin.
Hi, Archie.
You like a chicken? You like a chicken? Turn around. Sit. Lay down. A peace bump. A peace bump. Kabila. You catch. Very good. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm just having breakfast today. So ayan ang breakfast natin. My leftover chicken sandwich from McDo. Nag-air fry na lang ako, fries. Ayan, when living alone, magiging best friend mo talaga ang air fryer. Super napapadali niya yung buhay ko when I just need. Parang nakakatamad kasi magpirito, ganun. Basta nakakatamad magluto in general. Air fryer is your best friend. Pati itong iced coffee natin, tira lang from yesterday. Kapag mag-isa ka na talaga, pati yung mga tira, hindi nasasayang. Nakakain ng mga tira. Manganta mo.
Sasama ba ikaw? Sasama ikaw. Talagang sasama ka, ikaw yung may appointment.
Archie actually has an appointment today sa vet niya.
Punta tayo kay Doc.
You like it?
You like it.
Ano lang naman, pet wellness lang naman. Not anything serious. Parang yung mga vitamins lang niya.
Actually, 9 a.m. yung schedule mo. It's already 10:30, bebe.
Sama kayo sa vet. Para naman may kasama ako sa vet. Ano ba yun? Ano yun daw ginagawa niya?
Tapang ako yung tungkol. Ayan! Bakit tumihiga? Yeah.
Archie, ikaw, matutuwan na naman ako sa'yo next month. Siya yung pinakamahal sa expenses ko, no? Ikaw, no? Pagkain mo pa, no? So yun, we're done with the vet. Inauwi na ako kasi may order tayo. I-prepare natin yung mga orders natin for the baked sushi. I-prepare na natin yung mga order natin kasi madami-dami. You probably clicked on this video kasi nakita nyo na I'm starting my own small business. Ayan. That's right. So, ang small business po namin is actually hindi lang ako. Co-owners kami. Me and Liam actually decided to start our own small business. So ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo naman sa last video. So shoutout kay Lex, Da, Glenn, JP, Benedict, Jimwell, Julian, and lastly kay Mark. So ayan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout sa next video, mag-comment lang kayo down below ng business. So ayan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Nakapagtapos kasi si Liam ng culinary. Nag-graduate ako ng industrial engineering, which is yung more on the business side ng engineering. So, tinry lang namin mag-start ng small business namin, which is Liam by Chef Liam Catering Service. Ang small business namin is actually a food business. Nagpapa-order kami ng mga food for pag may mga celebrations, ganun, mga small gatherings. Recently, we decided to mag-try kami ng a la carte na pa-order. So, ayun, nagpapa-order din kami ngayon ng baked sushi, which is our best seller. As in, ito talaga yung laging in-order ng mga tao. Nakakatuwa din kasi super daming nag-order sa amin lately. Bali, ang role ko dito, dahil starting pa lang kami, ako din yung taga-deliver. Naging delivery rider ang kuya nyo. If you're around Pampanga and kung mag-order kayo na tong baked sushi namin, ako yung magde-deliver na to. We actually have a new product na we're trying out. When this video is posted, available na siya to order. So it's this one. Ayan siya. This is a cheesy baked beef samgyupsal. I'm actually editing right now para meron kaming ma-post. Ayan, ako din yung graphic designer. I don't know if you can see, pero I'm actually editing. Ito yung classic namin na baked sushi. Meron kaming small size, which is 350, and meron din kaming mga medium size, which is 550 naman, which is relatively affordable for baked sushi. And grabe, no joke, no bias, this is the best. Kasi alam niyo naman, if matagal na kayo nanonood sa akin, favorite ko talaga ang baked sushi nung pandemic. As in, kahit araw-arawin ko siya, hindi ako magsasawa. Bali, ito yung logo ng business namin. Kasi parang ang witty, diba? Liam yung pangalan ng chef. Pangalan ng business is Liam, diba? Actually, may order na kami today na tong cheesy baked beef samgyup na flavor. We have 2 orders later. And madami tayong order ng classics. Magde-deliver din ako sa San Fernando. I'm actually super happy. Alam niyo yun, kahit super nakakapagod mag-business, parang nakakatuwa. Kasi parang may tumatangkilik sa business nyo. It's something that me and Liam share. I'm more on the business side of things na tong business na to. Also available in small size. Ayun na nga ang ganap. So, may order din naman kami later ng 2 ganito. So, we will try to take a photo again. Kasi ayaw daw ni Liam tong picture na to. So, I'm just so happy to be able to start my own small business. Growing up my family, as in buong pamilya ko may sari-sarili silang business. Yung father ko, yung 2 kapatid ko, puro sila mga business owners. So, I'm so happy to have this. This is something that we thought of for a long time now. Kasi nag-aaral pa si Liam, nagbabalak na talaga kami na mag-start ng food business. Kasi nga, may tiwala din naman kasi ako sa pagluluto ni Liam. I know it's scary at first. As in, guys, kung alam nyo lang yung stress, super anxious namin in releasing this one. Kasi nakakatakot talaga magnegosyo. Ang inisip namin, what if walang bumili? What if malugi kami? Ganon, di ba? Yun yung pinaka kinakatakot natin. Pero, you will never know if you don't try. Might as well try para malaman mo kung magsasucceed or not. If ever hindi man mag-succeed, at least we've tried, diba? At least nag-try tayo. Talo ka kaagad if hindi mo tinry. Parang hindi mo malalaman kung mag-work or not kasi hindi mo nga tinry. If ever man may nanonood dito na nagbabalak din mag-open ng kanilang mga small business, if ever man nagbabalak kayo mag-open ng sarili nyong negosyo, ang masasabi ko lang, just go for it. Kasi kami talaga never naming in-expect na magkakaroon kami ng customers ng mga strangers. Kasi at first, syempre, ima-market muna namin sila sa mga kakilala namin, friends namin, sa mga families namin, mga relatives. Pero now, meron na kami nare-receive ng mga orders from mga strangers, complete strangers talaga, hindi namin kakilala. Nakakatuwa kapag merong nag-i-inquire sa page namin. Thank you po sa mga nagsusupport sa small business namin. If you would like to support me and Liam sa small business namin, go follow our Facebook page. It's Liam by Chef Liam. And siya ipapop ko sa screen and I will link it down below. And if taga Pampanga naman kayo and you would like to try, go check our page. Ayan, thank you po sa mga sumusupport ng small business namin. It really means a lot. As a small business owner, natatawa ko na yung sarili kong small business owner. Kaya nakakatuwa. The other day, we actually received our biggest order yet. This is probably our biggest order yet. Ayan, thank you po sa tiwala. Archie! Hi! Thank you po sa nag-order. It's bound to Laguna. Grabe, taga Laguna pa yung nag-order. Kasi, ang nangyari, someone ordered 16 orders ng classic baked sushi namin. Parang ang ginawa, nagpa-pre-order sa Laguna. Tapos, dinala yung baked sushi namin to Laguna. Tapos, dun distribute. Grabe. Thank you po. Thank you po ng madami. Meron kaming order today na pang 4th time niya nang mag-order sa amin. Imagine, 4th time, binabalik-balikan yung baked sushi namin kasi take my word for it, ang baked sushi namin, I will claim it, it's the best. Na na-try ko, ours is the best. Promise. It's so stressful and it's so fulfilling at the same time. Oo, nakaka-stress, nakakapagod and all, pero at the same time, it's very fulfilling kasi it's something that we produce ng kami lang. Naniniwala talaga ako sa kanya. I believe in our products. I'm so excited for the future of it. Order na kayo! Order now, guys! For now, hinihintay na lang namin yung binibake namin downstairs. We're gonna deliver to San Fernando, to Azure. Mag-deliver kami sa isang condo. It's actually Father's Day also. Magbabalot lang tayo ng regalo para sa papa ko. Hulaan nyo anong bibigay ko sa papa ko. Tanan! Jisoo Life, Life 9. At this point, I should be an ambassador of Jisoo Life kasi legit lahat binigyan ko na ng Jisoo Life. So lahat ng pamilya ko meron ng ganito. Si papa ko na lang yung wala. So I decided to buy him one. I bought him the black color. I have the white color and the black color. Tapos yung pink hiningi ni mama. Ibabalot lang natin siya today. Sa hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Kumanta bigla. Nabalot na natin yung regalo ko para sa papa ko. Actually, it's also Liam's birthday ngayon and I want to surprise him with a cheesecake. Ang tagal niya na nagkikrave ng cheesecake. Parang bukang bibig niya cheesecake. Pag nag-grocery kami, cheesecake yung nasa bibig niya. We're gonna buy it for him, yung mango flavor nila. Kasi Liam also likes mango. So, surprise din natin si Liam for his birthday. Nagbe-bake pa yung i-deliver namin. Wait lang, I'm gonna show you guys. It's still baking. Ayan na siya. This is the final product. So, may nag-order sa amin, half spicy, half hindi. Siyempre, meron tayong, pak, sino ka dyan? Tapos, nagpa-extra nori yung customer. So, bigyan natin siya ng extra. Ito na ang finished product. So, let's deliver.
We always want what we used to have. I'm here to be clear when we get there. 'Cause even flowers bloom outside of the moon. I've been finding truth in the way that you go, baby, go, baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Haba naman ng wish mo. Anong wish mo? Ang haba. Okay, we're gonna taste. Kaso ayoko yung mango part. So, dito ako sa gilid. Ayan, this is our last order of the day. Ni-request nila na may spicy. Actually, kay Val to, si Val. Yung unang nag-order, na-deliver na namin kanina. And gusto niya may extra spicy, kaya may red. Sasabihin ko sana mangantaha mo. Pero hindi naman para sa akin. So, hindi tayo magmamangantaha mo. That's our last order of the day. And i-deliver na lang natin siya niyan. Hinihintay lang natin yung go signal para mag-deliver. Small business update. Hi! Bumili siya sa amin. Wait, let me picture. Thank you!